See this question. It's given that let P be a point on this parabola where A is positive. So you already know what kind of parabola you have. Since A is positive, your parabola is opening to the right. Okay, so this is your parabola. Now you want a point P on that. Okay, let's have here a point P. What are they saying more? The normal to the parabola at P meets the x-axis at point Q. Now before I draw anything, I go ahead and read a little more here. See, if the slope m of the normal and a both are positive integers. Now if I draw a normal right here, can you see that the slope is not positive, right? It is making obtuse angle with the x-axis. So maybe I will take a point P here. Okay, so if I'm taking a point P here, I will write it 80 square and minus 280. Now I will move ahead and draw a tangent line. Okay, so this is my tangent and then this is my normal. Perpendicular to that is my normal. So now it is saying that it is meeting the x-axis at Q. Now let's read it a little more. The area of the triangle PFQ where F is the focus. Okay, let's draw the focus also. Let's see, this is the F point and you already know for this parabola the focus is a comma 0. Now they're saying that area of this triangle, let's write here, that is 120. Okay, let's write 120. Okay, before reading more, let's also write the formula which we know, half times base times height. Okay, so what's the base here? FQ. And what's the height? Yeah, the y coordinate is going to give you the height. You see, y coordinate. I'm just considering the length of it. Okay, I don't care about the negative sign. So I just write 280. Okay, now what are they asking us? They're asking us then the pair AM is. So basically, I need to know what is A and M. What do? I just write whatever I have here in terms of A and M. Okay, so now let's see what we can do. M is the slope of the normal. How do I get slope of the normal? I need to know the slope of the tangent first. If you already know what's the slope of the tangent here, fine. If you don't know, just differentiate the equation. 2y prime is equal to 4a. I divide by 2y on both sides, I get 2a by y. Now at the point P, I'm going to insert the coordinate of point P here. So the y coordinate is minus 280. So what do I get? The slope of the tangent is minus 1 by t at point P. So if m is the slope of the normal, what it is? Negative reciprocal of the slope of the tangent. So what it is? Just t, right? Okay, so slope of the normal is just t. Now instead of t, I'm going to write m because I want everything in terms of m now. So this is my point. Okay, where m is the slope of the normal. I want what? I need q coordinate also. Okay, I already know the q coordinate has y coordinate to be 0 because it's on the x axis. So let's work on that. Just write equation of the normal. What do? How do you write equation of the normal? Point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. That's this equation of the normal. For point q, what do? For q, you just plug in y is 0 in this equation. Okay, plug in y is 0. So you get 2am is equal to m times x minus am square. Is getting cancelled. I got my x. What is this x? Yes, the x coordinate of the point q. Okay, so I got here am square plus 2a. Now let's fill in everything here which we know now. Okay, half times base. What is fq now? If this is o, fq is oq minus of. How much is oq? The x coordinate just now we got ax square plus 2a. And what is of? The x coordinate of the focus, that's a. So how much is that fq? Am square plus a. That's my fq. Okay, and 2at, instead of t I'm going to write m. Okay, this is what we got. Okay, so this is what you want. So 2am. Now let's simplify a little bit. 2 is getting cancelled and a I can take out from here. So a square m square plus 1. What do I know? That's 120. Okay, so what shall I do? I need to know what's the pair a comma m. I have only one equation, so I will just plug in and check if it is satisfying this equation now. Check for the option a square, that's 4 times 3, m square, 3 square, that's 9 plus 1. So 12 into 10, 120, we are done. Okay, first one is the correct option. Now you can clearly see the second is not correct, neither are the rest two. So we are done. Okay, first is the correct option. Nice question. See you with another one.